Let me come back down to earth. Knox, when you came on the stage, the first time I saw you, you were saying, we're going to hear you roar. And that's what you've been doing. Roar every week. Roar yourself right to the top. Now, this particular song was such a beautiful choice for this group of people. Balanced, the harmony was sweet, and most of all, the expression. Your soloists are so, I can't find the word, worthy then. You know, they did such a good job, and the choir supported them. And I must also say thanks to the instrumentalists who gave you such good support. Knox, you deserve to be here next week to collect your prize.
Thank you.
The first prize.
Whatever
Knox,
prize.
I love the sound, I love the energy, I love the message, I love what you have brought to the competition in 2017. The only choir that comes back to mind is Arden. If you all watch the show, you would know that I have Arden as the choir of All Together Sing for the 14 years. You guys are getting pretty close to Arden, which means you're up there. Knox. It seems like they're doing it for the love and the likes.
Yeah, well, this is a very beautiful song. I like it. I remember singing this song one time as a little youth. And I think the two lead singers were superb. Trust me. And that is, you have all that it takes to be the greatest singers out of Jamaica. It's like, really good. And the guitar is superb musician, trust me. Yeah, man. Yo, big up to Knox, man. How you mean?
Knox, this is one of my favorite gospel songs. I was telling you that before. Beautiful rendition. The singers, I mean, we know where you're gonna grow up. When I grew up in church, clearly. So it's obvious, right? And you brought the fire and you brought the soul and the spirit to it. It was really, really beautiful.
Did Knox College take you to church with that huge